when you have your hole, all you're gonna do, you're gonna grab a piece of repair material. Put it underneath. So this one's already sealed, completely sealed. So if you want to put a patch, this is 30 mil. So if you want to put a patch on top of that, just to cover that up, you can. That's it. Got your patch. It's fully sealed. You're ready to go. Stop it.